Fine. Good evening, Kranti.
Evening.
Tell me about yourself briefly, and your exposure to SAP.
Yeah, good evening, Nishan sir. This is Krant Kumar Pelli. Uh, Actually, I completed about myself. First of all, I completed my diploma in metallurgical engineering 2009. After that, I was joined in HW Steel. In there, I was maintenance engineer, and after that, I got an opportunity to work in Tata Steel.
Okay.
2015 to 2020, I was in Planner Group and do as a job as end user. After
Okay.
completion of my BCom in applications, computer and applications, then I got promoted in SAP plant maintenance. So in that SAP plant, my KPI is to maintain maintenance analysis and configuration, integration with other modules, and to do planning to maintenance strategies, maintenance planning, etc. So
Okay.
I am working as a SAP consultant from 2020 to 2000 till now.
Okay.
I have finished two E2 end-to-end implementation in my role. First of my client is both are my in-house projects only. First
Okay.
one was TGS Startup Growth Shop, and second was worked as a IT team with Jamshedpur.
Okay.
I participated in the two implementation program. Now I am working as a support group member.
So,
Industry.
so you have worked both in implementation and support, right?
Yeah.
So, okay. And for that, I would like to know, like, what was your roles and responsibility in implementation first, and later on support. So, briefly, you can tell.
Actually, my role is that to configure the equipment with configure with other modules and to integrate with other modules and to plan the maintenance plannings
Okay.
as per as the client required and do that maintenance activities
Okay.
and scheduling that equipment and to these are my present roles in implementation.
So presently you're working in support, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So in support, what are you doing? What are your roles here?
Support in presently I actually presently support I work in support lead role means I just I configuring with other modules and configuring with technical data and integration with other modules.
In support, you are
So
giving configuration?
yeah.
Okay. Because very less configuration is there in support. Like support is basically ticket handling, no tools. It's a okay. So while doing implementation, what was the method? Agile or
As ASAP.
so? Can you explain briefly what are the different steps?
Yeah, ASAP means accelerated SAP.
Okay.
In that, we have three mainly strategies. One is in SAP to be documentation and as is and to be and
Okay.
third sorry actually in implementation as is with total five stages is there.
Correct.
First one is project preparation.
Okay.
Second was BPP business blueprint preparation.
Okay.
Third one is realization or configuration.
Okay.
Fourth one is support and fifth one go live project.
Okay. Okay.
In BPP, sorry to that. In BPP, we have only three steps. That is as is, to be, and gap analysis.
Explain these three steps
So
only.
in these three steps, actually, in blueprint, as is means we conduct, we change the system from one newly and from from start to scratch to present system. So whenever a client will be offered to, which is he needs some customizations in needs, we have to do that and we have to explain that to client. what he needs for his business specifications. And the second one is to be if we need some existing system to change that some to be what system to be needed, we have to explain that client and to
Okay.
change the process.
Okay.
And gap of analysis means we have from present existing system we have find some gaps
Okay.
and fitments, so that we have to explain the client to what he needs and what we want
Okay.
for that for existing system.
Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, Kranti. And have you worked on master datas?
Yeah.
So, which all master datas you have worked on?
In a SAP PM, first of all, total majorly works on function location,
Okay.
the equipment, work center, permits, catalogs, uh, and the cost center.
Okay.
So,
So, what is equipment master, you know?
equipment master means it states that to entire physical equipment history, I mean tracking the maintenance history.
Okay.
So what are it is specific information about that equipment and history tracking. So we use it for that history tracking for the equipment history.
Okay. And what is the T code for equipment? Equipment creating equipment?
Actually, T code is IE01 and to change the IE02, IE03 to display.
Fine. And do you know what are the like how can we make catalogs? What are the different catalogs used in SAP PM?
Actually, catalogs means as point of PPM side, if any equipment failures to that equipment, so we have to analyze that reports and we have to analyze that cause and reports. So we will use the catalogs.
Okay.
And that was for QS01, QS02, QS03. It depends on location wise.
Okay. And have you done mass upload for master data?
Mass upload. You mean talking about scheduling?
No. Mass uploading, like there will be a requirement by the user, no, by the client, that we have some 100 and 1000 master data equipment we have to upload. So, have you done that?
Actually, mass upload I didn't.
Oh, okay, no problem. So, what are the different work order business process you have worked on?
Different work orders.
Yeah, different work orders.
I mean maintenance order.
Yeah, yes.
Actually, first of all, we are different corrective maintenance order and the breakdown maintenance order.
Okay.
And preventive maintenance order, refurbishment process, refurbishment order, and the catalogs. Calibration orders.
So, can you tell me what are the prerequisite for refurbishment?
Prerequisites, refurbishment. Pre-refurbishment. Actually, we have need some works and
Or prerequisite for calibration, because before doing calibration there has to be some prerequisite, like these all conditions should be fulfilled, then only we can do the calibration. So have you know all this thing? Do you know all this thing?
Calibration, yeah. For some certain equipment, we need some information like function location.
Okay.
Function location and the equipment. Equipment call. Equipment tracking records. Exactly, I don't know.
Oh, okay, Kranti, no problem. Then just a minute. Other than that, explain this preventive maintenance. You know, right? You have worked on preventive maintenance.
Yeah.
So explain preventive maintenance. Some steps.
Preventive maintenance means that if any equipment before failure, we can do some maintenance activities.
Right.
So before failure occurring, so we need to connect to PM03 is that equal for that, and we have to that is does not hamper to any production also.
Okay.
So we can consider for that.
And like how we will do the preventive maintenance, through notification or direct or through maintenance plan?
Preventive maintenance through direct maintenance plan. We have to end user will do notification, raise the notification,
Okay.
and planner and some maintenance engineer will accept that and release that. Create the work order, and after that he will release the order.
Okay.
He will execute that plan and in that field, and after that he will confirm that order and release that. After finishing, he was reporting in that confirm that order.
Okay.
Execute in that field.
Okay. And you have said you have worked on integration, right? Integration of PM with other modules. So what are those modules with?
Integration with EM is like a procurement. We needed a procurement.
Okay.
And QM also, quality management, and HR also, and finance and controlling also.
So how it is related with, like, give example of integration with PM and MM with
PM and MM. Yeah. If I do any maintenance activity in some equipment, we need some material like that, spare parts or some there. So
Right.
so we have to integrate with the MM. So if he confirm that equipment is there or not in their warehouse. So after that, if he gets if he available that equipment, we can track that and maintain. It will be again we will deliver to that warehouse.
Okay.
So
And do you know what are the different systems of SAP, like different servers? Different servers where we work?
servers in unit testing.
Yeah.
What you are talking about testing?
Yeah. Like you might be knowing, like,
Yeah.
there are 3 different servers, right?
Yeah, one is user accepting testing, and the second one SIT. Third one is UT.
Okay.
Functional testing.
Okay. Okay. So Kranti, we will end this interview here. Okay. Thank you.